Here's some M14 rifle trivia. Subscribe. Which country developed the M14 rifle? Is it A, China, B, United States, C, Russia, or D, Germany? The correct answer is B, United States. Which conflict first saw extensive use of the M14? Is it A, Vietnam War, B, Gulf War, C, World War II, or D, Korean War? The correct answer is A, Vietnam War. Who was the chief designer of the M14 rifle? Is it A, Alexander L.D., B, Eugene Stoner, C, William Wellington, or D, Marion M. Pritchard? The correct answer is B, Eugene Stoner. What is the standard magazine capacity of the M14? Is it A, 10 rounds, B, 20 rounds, C, 15 rounds, or D, 30 rounds? The correct answer is B, 20 rounds. What type of ammunition does the M14 use? Is it A, revolver cartridges, B, bolt-action rounds, C, rimless cartridges, or D, shotgun shells? The correct answer is C, rimless cartridges. What feature allows the M14 to be fired semi-automatically? Is it A, gas piston, B, manual lever, C, recoil spring, or D, bolt action? The correct answer is A, gas piston. What organization was responsible for the M14's initial development? Is it A, Winchester Repeating Arms, B, Remington Arms, C, Springfield Armory, or D, Colt Manufacturing? The correct answer is C, Springfield Armory. What type of gas system does the M14 employ? Is it A, gas piston, B, blowback, C, short stroke, or D, direct impingement? The correct answer is D, direct impingement. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.